An art auction, but with a twist. Most of the collectors here are first-time art buyers. Most of the artists, new. And most of the art, less than $10,000. We are at the Young Collectors Auction at the Ayam Gallery in Al Sarkar Avenue, a biannual event that throws open the world of art to Dubai's budding collectors.
And basically it works like any other auction, but it's actually geared towards getting new and young collectors to come in and start collecting art, start buying art. We made it in an affordable format where the prices and the estimates are quite low, but at the same time it operates like any other auction. So you have reserves, you have bids, you have telephone bidding, you have all these kind of things. So you get the same experience as a Christie's or a Sotheby's sale, but at entry-level prices.
Now all of us appreciate good art in some form or the other, but the journey from an art enthusiast to an art collector can be quite intimidating, which is why an auction like this is so important, providing quality art to young collectors.
It helps develop collectors and artists. And so we definitely get established artists in here, your big name artists, and they'll do works on paper, limited edition, prints, things like that. So it's an opportunity for a collector to own, a big brand name artist, a big blue chip artist. But at the same time, it's also an opportunity to find that next generation of artists and that next superstar when they're still emerging.
Like Muhammad Badr, a young photographer whose pictures are on sale tonight, who in fact made his first ever commercial sale at a previous Young Collectors auction.
And this is a great opportunity for any artist. We have the opportunity to showcase our art for collectors, young collectors, and at the same time to be around great artists like Safwan Dahour or Sa'id Hilal or Ammar Bek. So you have the opportunity to be to make the first step into becoming a good or one of the leading artists one day.
And that is one of the biggest highlights at this auction, the access to greater, more prominent artists, some of whom actually sell smaller, less expensive works of art to young, new collectors.
When I first started off, it's, you go to small shows that you can afford, but the only time I could do auctions was a couple of years ago when I started with this one, just because when you hear auctions you think millions of dollars and hundreds of thousands of dirhams and more, things like that. And of course you don't want to go and embarrass yourself and just sit there and watch. But when this one came out, it was actually quite interesting because, fine, you do have some things that are tens of thousands of something, but you also have a few that do start with $1,000. This one did give me a training or an understanding of how auctions work properly, as well as give me the the personality to be able to go to something like Christie's.
Interestingly, the Young Collectors Auction was started 4 years ago, a time in history when people were tightening their purse strings and probably not spending as much on hobbies like collecting art. But the idea of high-quality art at affordable prices took off, and the auction has just been getting bigger and more popular with each year. Priyanka Dutt, Emirates 24/7.